Welcome, from this Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's open up settings. From here, tap on about phone, and in here we should have a factory reset option right over here. So tap on it, it will give you a message that all the items listed above will be erased, so that includes things like account, contacts, photos and videos, apps, backups, and other items on the device. And it kind of gives you a vague description of what it's going to remove. So in the simpler terms, it basically removes everything past the setup of the device. So once you set up the device, everything that you have put on the device past that will be completely gone. So from here, if you want to back it up, then back it up. If you don't, tap on erase all data. Now if you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do have it, so tap on next. And then we do have another 10 seconds of the same info that factory reset will erase all data on your phone. Yes, we get it, that right over here, as a capable human being that knows how to read. But apparently, based on Xiaomi, the fact that it can read doesn't mean anything, because they give you the same message for the third time. Wasting time. There we go. Once the 10 seconds pass again, you can now confirm it and the reset will begin. And I believe this is going to be a fairly quick one. It's only probably going to take like 2 minutes or so. So once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.